Hello students, I hope all are well. We have done first chapter, that is a letter to God. Now we are going to start with the third chapter. That chapter is two stories about flying. Here in this chapter we are having the two stories. The first is his first flight and second is Black Aeroplane. The first story we are going to start in this chapter you people have read in grade 8th even. This is a story of a young seagull. It is written by Lame O. Flattery. Lame O. Flattery. It is. I will just tell you the first of all the theme of the story. By listening the theme, maybe you remember the story. That is, his first flight is a story of hesitation, trial and error, and finally getting success in the end. It is an interesting story of a hesitant and timid. Timid means afraid, Darpoke, Seagull, learning the art of the flying. While his two brothers and sisters had already learned flying, his fear and hesitation stopped him from doing so. His diving at the fish due to hunger proved a blessing in disguise. After a shaky start, he spread out his wings and started flying upward and downward. It was his first flight. The author gives a message. What message you are getting from the story? That no one attains success instantly. Repeating trials and errors lead him to success. Means alternately practice makes a man perfect. So we must not have to leave means repeating the actions just because of the failures. We will get failure, but of course we'll be getting success after some time maybe. So let's start with the first chapter, that chapter number 3, first part, his first flight. The young seagull was alone on his ledge. Ledge means a narrow shelf on a cliff. Cliff means a kind of rock. His two brothers and his sisters had already flown away the day before. He had been afraid to fly with them. Means they brother and sister, they were already flown and they were very good at this art, but he was not getting that dare to fly with them. Somehow when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of the ledge, means they have to take a run away, like we are going on the in an aeroplane, so there is a runway for the aeroplane also, so they people have to go from the back and they have to come near the ledge. At the brink of the ledge they have to flap their wings and then they start flying in the sky. So that is the procedure told by their parents. The great expanse of the sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down. Means there was such a vast sea at down. When he came at the brink of the ledge, then he saw that that vast sea, and he just got afraid. And it was such a long way down, miles down. He felt certain that wings would not support him. Then what was in his mind, in his heart, that his wings will not support him to fly, and he will just get down and sink in the water. So he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole. Then by this feel, by this hesitation, he didn't try even to fly, and he went back to his hole where in the under the tree where he is having his house, where he slept at night, even when each of his brothers and little sisters, whose wings were far shorter than his own, means other brother sisters